What's up, y'all? How is everyone doing? Hope you had a beautiful weekend. We're back. We're about to jump into some more charts. Check out the news, see how everything is going, identify the setups we want to play, then we'll execute it throughout the week. So let's go ahead and jump in there. Okay, let's see. We got Euro news, bunch of Euro news. A lot doing New York. JPY. Tuesday, we got some JPY news. Let's see. Mostly Euro. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at some of those Euro pairs. So before we get into those Euro pairs, I noticed on USD JPY last week we entered the sale right here in this area. The market gapped down right here. So when it pulled back to this area, we added some new sales to this position. Right now everything is in profit. Even if we go for this short move right here, because of this entry we found, that'll give us 1 to 24 on this trade. So that's a crazy scalp. But we'll see how it responds. So far, like I said, nice reaction. We got a gap right beneath the 382. This pullback put us in a good sale. We'll set an alert right here to see how this trade responds at this low. Alright, so now let's go ahead and check out a couple of those Euro pairs. Go out to this higher time frame.
So let me ask you something. What if you can get paid every single week?
Only thing I want to see with these higher time frames is what is the main direction. Figure out what the main direction is to see where we should be going. Okay, cool. So right now we're definitely at a key level in the market. Let me delete the rest of this stuff here. And with these key levels, to keep it simple, it's easier to wait on the break and retest. Now on the weekly, let me tighten this up so you guys can see it on, what is that, Facebook. On the weekly, this entire area right here is a key level. Now when you find areas like that in the market, the safest thing to do is to wait for price to dictate the next move, and you enter in after the next bounce. So if it's going to break above, you'll see a push, a pullback, and then you'll get price to continue moving forward. Same thing if it drops. The only thing we need to do is understand what are the levels that it could visit after that. So let's go to the smaller time frame. got a daily range happening right inside of a weekly key level. Cool. I would say this would be a nice area for a buy if we get a pullback. Let's set an alert right here. Okay. Time frame was at 2 hours. Set an alert right here. So let me show you what we're doing. We're just trapping price. We got this thing trading sideways in between a daily level of range, and it also just so happens to fall between a key level on the weekly. So we just want to see how it responds when it hits this area at the high. If it breaks through, we'll look for buys on the other side. But if we get a rejection, we'll take this short sale to this area and then see if we can get into a buy. Real simple, real simple. Alright, so from here, let's go to the next one. Okay, next one we got Euro JPY. Let's see. Sean, appreciate that, bro. Let's see. So on the monthly, Bree, what up, Bree? On the monthly, we got this key level here. It's already played it and dropped twice. Now we have it revisiting. There's a great chance that we could have broke above. Let's see. Great chance we could break above. Now this is the thing. Still need to see how price responds to this high. Was this area played? It was not. Oh yeah, appreciate that, Sean. Man, we put a lot of these trades up live, so you'll be able to take them, man. We caught some crazy returns on USD JPY last week. One of them was like 800%. I'll put it back in the story so y'all can see it. All right, cool. So we need to see what happens right here at this high. Right here on the monthly. So price can get here and we can see a pull back to this structural level that was broken. And all of that can happen before this month is out. And this high could still be taken out. But in seeing this, we can definitely be a part of all of these moves. So let's just get in position. Set this up real quick. Okay, on the 4 hour and the daily, we got a double top at that high. Again, I don't think it'll be a long-term pullback, but we may get some reaction right in here. So now that I see that, let me get rid of that bigger zone. Alright, so in the daily time frame, this is the daily range right here. Go ahead and trap price. All right, cool. We got price trading within this daily range. It wants to push higher. We need to see how it responds during or after the news. Now, let's see right here on this 4 hour. Oh, we got a couple areas right here that could be retested. Let's see. They fall right at the 786. Let's test out that theory. So if price fails to break above the high, we'll see if we can get a pullback to about the 786 before this uptrend continues. Let's go see if we can get a quick scalp really quick. Let's see. Okay, Euro JPY. Pull this up on my terminal. Oh, what time frame was that? One minute? Okay. Let's see what we got. So we're about to take a scalp on this thing really quick. What time frame was that on? Looks like I got different coordinates on my terminal than we do on TradingView. Alright, cool. So on my terminal, we're at a level right here. So I'm gonna wait for this sell to see if we get a pullback to this area. Alright, cool. So even if it's slightly different, I still figure out these levels. So I'm gonna place my trade right there. Let's see. Okay, we're already up on Euro JPY. Let's see if we can get this. No, I'm sorry, USD JPY. Let's see if we can get this entry here. So got the alert set if it breaks above. You go ahead and just place the trade. Alright, cool. Let's move to the next. I think they said we got some pound news. Let's track price. Set some alerts. Should actually. double bottom right there. Very well could hit this level right here and then bounce. Oh, what happened? Looks like it wants to move up. That'll be a nice place to enter. Okay, I'll tell you what, we may take a quick scalp on this one too. If we start getting a push beneath this level right here, we'll look for sales. See what session low we're looking at. London session makes sense. Okay, so pound JPY rejected at the highs again. Let's see. Two levels we could possibly pull back to. One here. The other is right here. It out. Okay, so one is the 382 and the other is the 50. Let's play it. Double top playing out on the daily time frame. We'll see how that closes at the end of the day. So this looks like the exact same entry that we just took on USD JPY to get in the sale. This one kind of late on, so I don't want to jump in right now and risk this much.
With Verizon, you could...
So either wait to see if we get a clean break beneath this area right here, or if we get a pullback. Looks like we're getting that pullback on Euro JPY. Cool. Let's see. Oh man. That's a nice move on that USD JPY sale right there. Looks like it's already up at least 1 to 3. Oh, 1 to 6. Let's see if we can get another move like this on Euro JPY. No, pound JPY. I think looks like it may be gone. It's okay. So we got that quick scalp. We'll just let it run. We'll come back during the London session and check out the other trades. See if our alerts have been triggered. Then we'll go from there as far as looking for the positions that we want to take. We appreciate everybody for hopping on. Y'all be great. Let's see. For everybody that want to join, you don't know where to begin, you can head to our website, ProfitTakersEU.com. We'll walk you through setting up your demo account, your live account. We teach you how to place your trades and monitor your trades. That way, you know exactly how to move when you see us on Getting Active. So when you get to that site, just make sure you click that Trading Essentials bundle. From there, you get access to that series and also the free trial to our codex. But when you start with us, this is where everything begins, with the mindset. Without alignment with your mindset, there's nothing that you can do as far as being successful as a trader. This is where we start here, and giving you our workbooks as a companion tool with those mindset series. And for the do-it-yourselfers, we got a book series on Amazon, log books, help you through the process. We have merch as well. And if you guys want to join the team, you get that beginner bundle. Upgrade to tier 2 or get the elite. But as always, remember, you're only one trade away from living.